Okay, here's where we're at now. Widened the driveway, dug a 1 foot trench, put geofabric 4-inch perforated pipe in all along this outside from that corner to that corner. Teed it off here, run it down there. This is the second day. This is all drying up. It was all muddy slop yesterday. Still got to clean this stone and ditch area right here up. Trying to let that mud dry up first. And where the water was coming out of the bank yesterday, still running today. And there's nowhere else to put it into the yard. It's too muddy to do too much dressing up here. I'm going to throw a little bit more stone in the end of this trench here yet before I'm done. Got a load of 2A I'm going to start spreading up by the carport there. I got another load of 2A coming. I'm going to put that load in, compact it, work on this until my other load shows up. The other end of the house is it's just all mud we dug out because it was so saturated. That whole bank was soaking wet. About an inch or two of water to walk in on this bank. It was so backed up. Now it's draining out pretty good, and all this grass is still damp, but it's not sopping wet like it was. So it's drying up. And before I put 2A on this, I'm going to roll some more GL out across it to separate the 2A and number 3s. So now I'm going to start with this. I cleaned a little bit of edge from the concrete to work my stone against. The beginning of this pipe is right at the downspout because it was always a little bit of a hole here and always really wet. So I extended the downspout right into my pipe, right into my trench with Geo and number 3 stone, which that trench runs that whole way along and tees in the middle. Alright.